Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Thank you guys, and may God bless you all. Okay guys, on this video I will show you guys how I fix my lace frontal. Yes guys, I'm going out for my baby outing. Yes guys, I rolled this hair for about 1 week, and then this is the time to put on. Okay guys, to make your wig last for 5 days, because I always take my wig for 5 days, because I don't have strength to be making wig always on your hair. When I glue my hair, I leave it for 5 days, for sometimes more than that, sometimes 3 days. Okay, that I make sure that I glue it. I do it first day after drying it with this hand dryer. Second one, say this is the second layer, and I spray it. And I use my spray very important before, because I want my hair, I want my glue to be tight, to be glue for, take it for 5 days, to 6 days, or 3 days. Yes, after doing that, I make sure that I dry it before tying it. What you guys don't understand, before you tie your hair, you use your rubber band to tie it. Make sure you use your hand dryer to dry it very, 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 very well. Dry it until you know that the hair is not moving, or you know that the hair is very, very thin, very, very dry. And this, I use spray to remove. This spray is transparent. It removes all the white glue on your hair. After doing that, I use my rubber band to tie it. You see, with this one, this is about 5 days. Just make sure that you tie your hair, leave it like 30 minutes. Like 30 minutes is okay, 20 minutes to 30 minutes is okay. After doing that, remove it and use your gel to bring out your beautiful baby hair very well. And this, let me tell you, this week I roll it, and I don't love that baby coils. I use hand to remove it, to remove the big coils, just to share it into two or into three, and it will bring out the fullness of the hair. This is the wax. I use wax to smoothen the hair, to bring out the beauty of the hair, to make it flat. And use my hand dryer, use my hand a hot comb. Sorry guys, I use hot comb to smooth it, to flatten it, and to, yes guys, this is it, so beautiful and gorgeous. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share my video. On my YouTube channel you will learn a lot, you will learn something. I do makeup, and I do. Okay guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, and share.